When I was working for Euroglass in Christchurch, New Zealand, I have great memories of working on a nice, simple project in the quiet seaside town of Sumner. The owner wanted a spectacular splashback in his kitchen, and he hired a photographer to go out on a boat with him and take a panoramic view of his local surf beach. We then had the pleasure of taking this incredible image and printing it onto his splashback to bring his favourite place in the world to his kitchen. Now the look on his face when we installed this product was worth every effort, something truly unique and special only to our customer. I believe that every customer's idea of a perfect splashback is different and needs to be catered for. We take our time to ensure that our measurements are taken incredibly accurately and will fit perfectly, giving you the confidence that you aren't being rushed into something that you will regret later. Our customers love options, different finishes, different glass types or colours, and if all else fails, grab your favourite image and get creative. The results can be truly breathtaking. I am Gene Graham and I'm the owner and operator of Economy Glass in Hoppers Crossing.